Yeah, hi everybody, Dennis here. I'm going to show you something that my granddaughter got, and this is not easy for me to probably talk about here, but I'm going to do the review because we got these at a discount, and she doesn't do reviews, so I guess I'm stuck with it. But I'm actually looking forward to doing this review. These are reusable nursing pads, okay? And they're made out of bamboo. Now, I always thought bamboo was just panda food, but apparently bamboo is being the big thing now with a super absorbent, very soft material. And I have a wash closet of bamboo that are just absolutely super. You know, who would have thought, you know? But anyway, this is what you get when you get it out of the package. And there's 8 pads in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out so I can show you. And it comes with a card, and it says on here to register it, and we're going to do that. And so you get 8 pads, and these are just super soft. Now these have a lining here, leak-proof lining, and I guess this goes against the nipples. And these are wrinkle-free, so you can wear them underneath your bra. As you can tell, I am obviously not going to be wearing these, but I'm doing the review. And it also comes with the mesh bag, so when you wash them, you just throw them in here so they're not lost inside into the washing machine. Now these are hypoallergenic, very soft. I mean, I can't stress enough how soft they are. This is fantastic. So anyway, other than that, I'm just going to let you have at it. And for the price, I think these are awesome. So anyway, hopefully that helps.